Welcome to our exploration of the potential risks involved in creating your own AI solutions for process automation. While the idea of developing a custom AI might sound enticing, it's crucial to balance ambitious goals with realistic outcomes. Often, the allure of a tailored AI solution can overshadow the challenges, particularly when it comes to handling complex tasks that a one-size-fits-all AI might not manage effectively. Furthermore, the development process can be painstakingly slow. AI development isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires significant time from research to deployment, potentially causing delays and higher opportunity costs. This demands tremendous resources that could swiftly drain without promising completion. Technology's relentless pace means you might find your solution outdated before it launches, overshadowed by newer algorithms. Moreover, it's a resource-intensive endeavor, demanding significant financial investment, expertise, and infrastructure. Even if initial costs are managed, ongoing upkeep can become a financial burden. So, what's the savvy move? Instead of shouldering these burdens alone, consider viable alternatives like integrating proven solutions or using no-code/low-code platforms, offering customization without the intricate coding demands. These paths often lead to greater efficiency and results with less hassle. Remember, while building AI in-house is exciting, strategic choices often yield the best outcomes. If you have questions or wish to reach out, we're here to assist.